Today is 10th of third month, the fourth day in the row. The keyboard backlit is not working. You can see to it. I have done nothing wrong. You don't believe me. You don't guys believe me, which I am taking, which I have made a time also changed. Time now in India is 1:20, right? The time is 1:20 p.m. right? Okay, this is internet time. Okay, and one more thing, keyboard backlit is not working. You can see to it, and see to this LED is also not working. Right now LED is not working completely. See, keys event are pressed. LED is not working. Okay, done. But the pressure pad is working fine. Now I have to close everything. See, the keyboard backlit is not working and the LED panel is also not working. See, I'm very clear. Just now ASUS called me. Alt F4 is the key, right? Alt F4 has been pressed. I'm going to restart the system. Okay, see what will happen. Only after restarting it's working. I don't know still it works or not. No, keyboard is backlit is not working. No, keyboard backlit is not working. Right now it's working. After restarting only it works. Let me key in the pin. Just now before taking the video this happened. This backlighting was not working. Right now it's working. But the LED flickering is not yet been resolved as the board has been damaged by the technician of COMPUAGE in NUNGAMBAKKAM in Chennai, which where I have replaced the keyboard. But they are not in the intention to take the product to for replacement or clearing this issue due to the policies of COMPUAGE. It seems they are not taking the product for out of warranty products for this repair or something or replacement. And also one more thing, today morning I spoke with her that their policies has been changed, so the replacement was done in Chennai, but they are not intended to take my laptop for service again. Already they have damaged my LED flickering. See, right now it's not working. I have done nothing, but keyboard backlighting is not working. How superb it is. Only when I go to Armory Crate, I have to restart the power of the LED. See, I'm going to Aura. See, my device is in static backlighting. Okay, when it is already switched on, that red means it is already switched on. When I click it, I'm not clicking it right now. I'm going to click it. Click it, it works. This is the problem. So Kindly ASUS do something else, you will face the consequences legally.